So one could do this problem by selecting an example for x. For example, x is, say, root 7, because they tell us x is an irrational number. And I can test the answer choices and eliminate which are not true, because they're saying must be true under all circumstances. So ax cubed in this case would be root 7 multiplied with itself 3 times. That gives me 7 root 7, which is irrational, so that's a possibility. X squared would be, squaring this would be 7. That is not an irrational number. In fact, that's rational. So B is out. C is x plus x, which would be 2 root 7. That's irrational, so that's a possibility. X squared is 7. And in this case, it does satisfy. And then x plus x is a rational number. X plus x would be 2 root 7, which is not rational. So E is out. So we have 3 left here. And I need to come up with more examples. So for example, the first one, if x was cube root of 7, which is irrational. If you do x cubed, it becomes 7, so it becomes rational, but they're saying is irrational. So that negates A. Left with these two. And here, if I picked x to be 4th root of 7, then x squared, I'm looking at choice D, would become square root of 7, which is irrational. So that eliminates that. We're left with C. So that's one way to do it. I mean, it still work. Or you can recognize x plus x is 2x, and that means 2 times any rational number must always be irrational. So that's another way to do it. But either way, the answer is choice C.